Hello guys, so today we're gonna learn about Ledderberg and Tatum experiment of bacterial conjugation by using auxotrophs. Okay, so auxotroph means the bacteria which are not capable of producing certain nutrients. Okay, so in this experiment they have used the two strains of the bacteria E. coli. Okay, so the strain like the special thing about the both of these strain is they produce certain amino acid and they do not produce certain amino acid. Okay, so there are total 6 amino acid, so they produce 3 amino acid and they do not produce 3 amino acid left. Okay, so the amino acid which they do not produce is noted by the name, and then above it is like it is have sign minus. Okay, and those amino acid which they produce, they have sign plus. Okay, so you can see in the diagram that strain 1 do not produce biotin, phenylalanine and cysteine. Okay, and they produce other 3 amino acid, and you can see in the strain 2 that the strain 2 bacteria is the exact opposite of strain 1. Okay, so strain 1 produces that amino acid which strain 1 do not, and strain 1 and strain 2 do not produces amino acid which strain 1 have produced. Okay, so what they did was they mixed the two strains. Okay, they mixed the two strains in the nutrient medium and incubated. Okay, and culture it on the petri plate which has a minimal media, okay, so minimal media, like in this case minimal media means the media which is devoid of biotin, phenylalanine, cysteine. Okay, so you can see here that when the strain 1 and 2 was cultured separately, there were no growth of colonies was seen in the plate. Okay, but the mixed culture, when plated on the minimal media, the growth has been observed. Okay, so what can we formulate by this? That the mixed culture of the bacteria. Okay, so like they have both the two strains. Okay, so strain 1 do not produce biotin, phenylalanine, cysteine. Okay, so these genes were not there in strain 1, and strain 2 threonine, leucine and thymine was not there. Okay, so what happens that the strain 1 gene was transferred to strain 2. Okay, for amino acid which strain 2 can't produce, and strain 2 transferred the gene for the amino acid which strain 1 can't produce. Okay, so in that way the recombinant bacteria shows all 6 amino acid production. Okay, whereas in the separate culturing of the bacteria, you can see no growth is being observed because there is no recombination. Okay, so here is why, therefore, the scientist formulated that the something is happening between the two strain. Okay, in the mixed nutrient media. That's why the result of this shows showing all 6 amino acid production. Okay, so however they can't they can't uh, they can't state that the actual. However, there is another experiment that proves that is there needs to be a physical contact between the two bacteria for the formation of recombinant bacteria. Okay, so hope you like this lecture. Was it for the day?